Tire service is one of those bread and butter profit centers for many shops, but it can be a challenge to perform. Often, you need an extra pair of hands to get the job done. That is, unless you're using the Atlas Platinum PTC 500 tire changer and the PWB 90XL wheel balancer. The PTC 500 tire changer is a center post design that can help you deal with the most challenging wheel and tire combinations your customers can bring you. The Smart Lock system allows the wheel to be immediately locked in position with a flip of the lever, eliminating the need for manually threading the center cone or to maintain a complicated pneumatic locking system. The lever no lever system allows the machine to be used with a standard lever or in leverless mode with no manual tools required. And to ensure customer satisfaction, you need to accurately balance the tire and wheel assembly. That's where the PWB 90XL comes in. The PWB 90XL is a high-performance wheel balancer with a user-friendly, high-resolution monitor display. This machine offers super automatic 3D data entry via a single data entry gauge for offset and diameter and touchless sonar for rim width. That means no old-fashioned measuring arm. Using the weight placement arm, the user can choose the most convenient location to put the weights, and a laser will guide the operator back to the exact location after the spin cycle, eliminating any possibility for human error and ensuring first-time 0-0 results. Optimization of the tire wheel balancing, that is match mounting, is possible with the PWB 90XL and the OptiMatch software. This makes handling even the most difficult tire wheel combinations easy and efficient. So if your shop is in the market for a tire service solution, consider the 1-2 combo of the Atlas Platinum PTC 500 tire changer and the PWB 90XL wheel balancer. For more information, visit www.atlasautoequipment.com.